Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you've got the ingredients, let's walk through the simple steps to roast your beef and asparagus to perfection. You won't want to miss this. Roasting temperature and timing. Roasting is all about balancing heat and time. Too hot, and you risk burning the outside while leaving the center undercooked. Too cool, and you miss out on that beautiful caramelized crust. Here's how to find the sweet spot for both beef and asparagus. Beef roasting guidelines. For a tender, evenly cooked roast, preheat your oven and follow these timing cues. Standard oven temperature, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, works beautifully for most cuts. Cooking time. Medium rare, 135 degrees Fahrenheit / 57 degrees Celsius internal temp, about 20 minutes per pound. Medium, 145 degrees Fahrenheit / 63 degrees Celsius internal temp, about 22 to 25 minutes per pound. Well done, 160 degrees Fahrenheit / 71 degrees Celsius internal temp, about 30 minutes per pound. Always use a meat thermometer to check doneness. Insert it into the thickest part of the roast for an accurate reading. Roasting asparagus. Asparagus cooks much faster than beef, so it's best to roast it on a separate baking sheet or add it to the oven during the final 10 to 15 minutes of cooking. Follow these quick tips. Oven temperature, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for optimal crispness. Cooking time, 12 to 15 minutes for thin spears, 18 to 20 minutes for thicker ones. To keep things streamlined, roast the asparagus on a baking sheet coated with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Flip halfway for even browning. The importance of resting after roasting. Once the beef reaches its target temperature, it's tempting to slice right in. Resist the urge. Resting is a crucial step that ensures every bite is juicy and tender. Why resting matters. During roasting, the juices in the beef move toward the center. If you cut into it immediately, those juices spill out, leaving your roast dry. Resting allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat. The temperature to stabilize for easier slicing. How to rest beef properly. Transfer the roast to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. The larger the cut, the longer the rest time. As a bonus, resting creates a short window to finish off the asparagus or make a quick pan sauce with the drippings. By mastering these techniques, you're guaranteed a roasted beef and asparagus dish that's full of flavor and cooked to perfection. Pairing roasted beef and asparagus with complementary sides. A perfectly cooked roasted beef and asparagus combo deserves equally thoughtful sides to round out the meal. The richness of the beef and the crisp, earthy asparagus set the stage for pairing with a variety of flavors and textures. Whether you favor hearty starches, bold sauces, or refreshing veggies, these side options will create a well-balanced, unforgettable dinner. Starches to complete the meal. No meal feels quite as complete without a satisfying starch on the side. Starches bring balance to the plate, absorbing the juices from your beef and any sauces you serve. Here are a few classic options. Roasted potatoes, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Roasted potatoes are a natural companion. Toss them in olive oil, garlic, and rosemary for an herby, golden crusted finish. You can even roast them right alongside your asparagus for a seamless cooking process. Creamy mashed potatoes, a rich, velvety choice that just screams comfort. Mashed potatoes act like a sponge, soaking up anything from savory pan drippings to gravy. Add roasted garlic for extra depth or a sprinkle of chives for a pop of flavor. Rice pilaf. If you're looking to keep things a bit lighter, a fragrant rice pilaf works beautifully. Stir in slivered almonds, dried cranberries, or even a handful of fresh parsley to bring in a touch of brightness. Each of these sides delivers a hearty, grounding element that complements the beef's boldness without overpowering the plate. Sauces and gravies. The right sauce or gravy can elevate your roasted beef and asparagus to another level. Not only do sauces add flavor, but they also tie all the components of the dish together. Here are some popular options to consider. Red wine reduction, bold, elegant, and aromatic. This sauce, made by simmering red wine with beef stock, shallots, and a touch of butter, brings a glossy richness to your main course. It's perfect for highlighting the succulent beef while adding a slightly tart finish. Chimichurri, bright and herbaceous, this Argentine classic is a wonderful contrast to the heavier elements of the dish. Made with fresh parsley, garlic, olive oil, and a splash of vinegar, it's light yet full of vibrant flavor. Horseradish cream sauce. If you want to add a bit of a kick, this sauce is unbeatable. The sharpness of horseradish paired with the smoothness of sour cream cuts through the richness of the beef, leaving a harmonious blend of tang and heat. Don't be afraid to personalize these sauces. Add a touch of honey to the red wine reduction for sweetness, use cilantro in your chimichurri for a twist, or stir in some Dijon mustard to your horseradish cream for more complexity. Fresh veggie sides for balance. While asparagus is already on the plate, adding another fresh vegetable to the mix ensures balance and variety. Fresh veggies bring lightness and color, offering a counterpoint to the more indulgent starches and beef. Here are some great options. Arugula salad. This peppery green pairs beautifully with roasted beef. Toss it with a simple lemon vinaigrette, shaved parmesan, and toasted walnuts or pine nuts for a fresh side that enhances every bite. Roasted root vegetables. For a side that mirrors the earthy notes of asparagus, roast a medley of carrots, parsnips, and sweet potatoes. Drizzle them with olive oil, sprinkle with thyme, and roast until caramelized. These veggies are naturally sweet, providing a perfect contrast to the savoriness of beef. Shaved Brussels sprout salad. When you want something crisp and refreshing, this salad delivers. Thinly slice Brussels sprouts and toss with apple slices, dried cranberries, and a tangy Dijon dressing. It adds crunch and acidity that beautifully cuts through the richness of the meal. Mixing vegetable sides with greens keeps the plate dynamic, adding interest and balance to each forkful. Don't shy away from bold flavors. Citrus, nuts, and fresh herbs all contribute to a well-rounded dish. By combining thoughtful starches, flavorful sauces, and fresh veggies, your roasted beef and asparagus dinner turns into a crowd-pleasing meal. Each component works together, enhancing the others while offering diversity in texture and taste. Nutritional benefits of roasted beef and asparagus. Roasted beef paired with asparagus isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. This classic pairing is packed with essential nutrients that fuel your body, making it as healthy as it is delicious. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.